Hi friends, welcome to Elevate Training Solutions. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to give 5 golden tips to clear TCS NQT. We have just 72 hours left to attempt the exam. So what is our plan for the next 72 hours? See, when you comparing the last year, the test pattern has changed. So this year you need to attempt 92 questions, 5 sections and 180 minutes time. So it is required a lot of energy to attempt the test. So keep it in mind, right? So this is my first tip. Sleep well. So don't take silly. It is very important. If you go with stress, so it is very tough to crack the test, right? So to reduce the stress, you should sleep at least 8 hours for the next 3 days. So as a scientifically proved, if you sleep well in the past 3 days, your brain or IQ levels will increase, right? So sleep is the best meditation. Sleep is the best meditation. So don't ignore. So aside all your pressures and sleep at least 8 hours. This is a first golden tip. So coming to the next. So don't go with the rumors. Don't go with rumors. What are the rumors? So some people may say that the questions will come from that side. So this side, they'll get the different types of materials. So you will get all the things. You will get the tens from that, right? So don't trust all the things. Don't listen the all the things. So this will increase your pressure. Okay, you may forgot the whatever you know already, right? So don't trust all the things. You just keep calm. Don't speak much with the people who are talking about the negative. Okay, don't listen the negative things. So it is not possible, we can't do these kind of words. Don't listen for the next 3 days. Definitely you should crack the test 100%. Okay, you just keep it in mind. Okay, don't go with rumors, right? Next, so go with running notes. So already the first part is over, means you spent already 20 days, past 20 days on the learning the new concepts, right? So the next 3 days, don't go for the new concepts. You just learn the, just go to the notes, whatever you noted in the last 20 days. Okay, saving penny is more than the earning the new penny, right? So apply the same formula here. So don't go for the new things. You should study well and masters in the concept whatever you know already, right? This is the last moment. So it is better to go for the notes instead of going to the new things. So I hope you already noted some formulas and some concepts. Okay, you just go that concepts, right? Right. And time and hope. You know it has 5 sections. Each section is separate. You cannot club time with one section to another section. So that is why. So if you have time extra, you just spend with that particular section and manage your time. And don't quit. Means don't give up at any moment. Maybe you may get a first question tough. Okay, leave it. Take it easy. You go for the next question. Even second question is also tough. Okay, you go for the next question. So don't get panic. So if you get panic, that will your first failure in this exam, right? So don't take heavy in the first question, right? Right? So don't give up. You have a chance to get interview call even if you clear half of the question correctly. So as per the last year experiences, right? So don't get panic. and be cool and take deep breath and attempt the questions. Even you don't know anything, even still wait. You just keep calm. 2 minutes you spend some meditation type, definitely you should clear the test, right? And the last tip is the important tip is a don't leave coding section. Why I'm going to say this thing means, if you attempt the coding section, is a more chance to clear the test. So that is why don't take chance to leave this section. As well as some people may say that, sir, we are from aeronautical, we are from non-circuit branches, we don't have a coding knowledge. But so it's not much tough questions. So the questions are which you practiced in the first year, like prime number, GCD, right? So I mentioned some LCM, string reverse, palindrome, sum of a given number, check the given number is palindrome or not. So the standard programs, but they'll mention with the statement based questions, means they'll give some story. They'll give some story based questions. If you go through the story, definitely you people can crack the program, right? So don't leave coding section at any cost. So you may be any branch also, right? So it is very important. It is very important. And it is section is decided to who will go for the 7 lakhs package and who will go for the 3.6 lakhs package, means who will go for the TCS Ninja package or who will go for the TCS digital package. That is why. So don't leave, because the last section you may or may not have energy levels. But so at the last 180 minute, so you should maintain the same enthusiasm, whatever energy you have in the starting bit. So the last question, last minute, you should maintain the same energy levels. It's very important, right? So how NQT is done in the last year? So as per that, I made a one table for the better understanding. See, you have an option from moving from one question to another question in the last year, but this year you don't have it, that facility as a sample test and dry run check. I hope you may received mail from the TCS, and I hope you did that DRC, right? Is a virtual environment to write the exam. So as per the DRC or a sample test, you don't have an option to navigate or move from one question to another question until complete the first question. And question moving from outside, so even you don't have an option from moving from one question to another question. So another section is not at all possible, not at all possible. And so even you need to spend 40 minutes of the particular section, even if you finish the exam before 40 minutes, right? So you should spend all the time until allocated time is over, right? Suppose your exam is finished within 30 minutes, you have a still 10 minutes more, you don't have an option to move to the next section until completion of the 40 minutes, right? So next, question skipping is not at all allowed in this new pattern. So last year there is a chance of question skipping, and review option means you may change the future, right? So that option is not available. If you give the answer in the first time, there is no chance to review or change your answer. And negative marking, as per the last year you have a negative marking, but this year you don't have a negative marking. So as per the sample test and DRS instructions, right? And so mental toughness is when you can find the fuel in empty tank, means you don't know anything. So don't go for panic. So it take deep breath, okay? Deep breath, and you try to solve question one by one. Can you promise one thing? So you can do as many questions as you can do, but you can do extra one question for me. That one extra question may change your game plan, and that extra one question may chance to get into interview call, right? So don't go for panic. You have to try until last. So don't leave at last stage. So whatever happens are happening. So you go for the maximum bits you need to solve that test. That is your first and foremost target before going to the exam. You just set that goal. So your task, the today my task is to I have to solve maximum questions as much as possible. You just set that kind of goal. Definitely you people should clear that test. So thank you for watching this video. All the best for your future endeavors. Okay, so if you like this video, please give like, otherwise dislike, but don't forget to subscribe. So thank you very much.